When I found out I was driving a Fiat Jolly, a beach car, in Florida, I thought, how cool could that be? I just didn't realize it'd be 50 degrees and raining. This car is actually really nice. The shifter is good, steering is nice, light. Not a lot of power, but it's only got 600 cc's. Every collector needs a Fiat Jolly in their collection. Keep it on your yacht, and then when you go to the Monaco Grand Prix, maybe you have your helicopter, bring it in and drop it in the city so you can get around. Solves all those nasty problems of having to get a taxi or something like that. If the sun would come out, this would be a perfect car. At nearly every auction we go to, there's a Fiat Jolly, but until now, I've never got a chance to drive one. I thought maybe it's kind of like a wind-up toy, 20 miles an hour. I went over 50 miles an hour, car stops, it turns, it's fun.
It's a Jolly.
It's a Jolly.
What's the history behind the car?
Well, the chairman of Fiat at the time, Agnelli, was a noted playboy and had a yacht in the south of France and wanted a car to drive around and to put back on his boat, so that he sent a few cars to the bodybuilder Gia, who put this car together so he could drive around. It was really the chosen car of the Playboy set down there at that time.
40,000 right here. That's 50 now. 50, 50, 50, thank you. I've taken 50 on the right. Do I have 60s? No reserve, selling all the way. Thank you, sir. 60,000. 60,000. Do I have 70,000? Thank you. 70,000. Do I have 80,000, sir? 75,000. Thank you. 80,000 and 85 again, sir. 85. Much obliged, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you. 90,000. 95 now, sir. It's going for the first time. At 90,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last time. All done. All finished. Your car, Stephanie. Well done, 90,000.